Today, let's learn about the world of marine animals. Dolphins, intelligent and social marine creatures. Smart, learns quickly, lives in groups, interact actively with humans, using sound for navigation and communication. Agile, strong, likes to play and protect children. A unique combination of sophistication and power in the ocean world. Whales, kings of the ocean, huge, strong, with peak intelligence. Life in groups, called whale pods, uses sound to communicate and find food. Delicate and strong, they are capable of jumping out of the water with incredible strength. Sharks, mysterious sea monsters of the ocean, body designed optimally for speed and power. Bold hunting, with sharp senses and a flexible system of fish fins. Sharks can move hundreds of miles per hour and use their sharp, knife-like noses to hunt. Stingray, a symbol of independence and strength in the ocean. With a slender body and long tail, they create a beautiful and graceful image. Stingrays have the ability to search for prey with extremely sharp senses, and sometimes use electricity to hunt. Lobsters, underground artists of the ocean. With their strong protective covers and diverse colors, they create a captivating image. The ability to be agile and sophisticated in running away and hunting. Lobsters use their powerful proboscis to repel predators and to get around on their own. Mud crabs, the creative artists of the ocean. With their hard shells, they create natural masterpieces, exploring quickly and delicately. They use their powerful pincers to grip rocks and hunt. Mud crabs are often seen in a variety of unique colors, creating a dynamic and stylish underwater image. Sea squid, the hidden artists of the ocean. The body is flexible and the color changes to avoid predators and protect itself. Intelligent, sea and quick adaptation makes sea squirts one of the outstanding underwater players. Octopus, the crew of the ocean, flexible body, with spiral legs and intelligent eyes, use their strength and flexibility to hunt and defend themselves. Octopuses are also famous for their ability to change color and create creative effects to communicate and cover their eyes. Sea turtles, the ocean's persistent travelers. With their sturdy shells and large bodies, they are incredible migrants. Sea turtles often eat a variety of foods from seaweed to small fish. Long journeys and returning to their birthplace to lay eggs are outstanding features of sea turtles. Sea eels, the delicate hunters of the ocean. Their supple and slender bodies help them confidently stab into prey. The agility of moray eels combined with their exceptional attention to their surroundings makes them skillful hunters. Sea seals, multi-talented artists of the ocean. Its round body and thick fur keep it warm. Versatile in water and on shore, they are unrivaled. Jumpers and talented skiers. Sea seals live in groups with strong family relationships. Sea stars, shimmering stars under the ocean. With their flat bodies and characteristic arches, they create a splendid image. Sea stars often have the ability to restore and regenerate themselves. Their characteristic luminescence is part of the magical beauty of the night ocean. Sea jellyfish, unique creatures with a mysterious and enchanting appearance. Their transparent bodies and gentle movements make them symbols of ocean elegance. Sea jellyfish often have the ability to move flexibly and have sharp pincers to hunt prey. Thank you for watching the entire video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to watch the next videos. Special thanks.